To produce 10,000 cups a day, the journey begins here, with massive rolls of virgin paperboard. Handling these multi-ton behemoths requires precision, heavy machinery. This dense, fibrous base is the structural heart of every single cup. Before it can hold liquid, the paper must be made waterproof. A microscopic layer of molten polyethylene is fused to the surface, creating an impermeable seal. Instantly cooled, the material is reborn as coated cup stock, ready for processing. Even at this raw stage, consistency is crucial for the high-speed forming to come. The raw material is perfected, coated, and cued for entry into the main production hall. Welcome to the heart of the operation, where speed and precision meet. Before the paper takes shape, it must be given its identity. Loaded with precision, the canvas is ready for the application of color. Specially formulated food-safe inks are prepared to bring the brand designs to life. The cylinders engage, transferring the image with microscopic accuracy at breakneck speeds. Heated air blasts the surface, drying the ink instantly to prevent smudging. Automated vision systems monitor every millimeter, ensuring perfect registration. The printing phase concludes, capturing thousands of cup designs in a single continuous reel. Yet this is still just a flat sheet. The true transformation is about to begin. We move from the artistry of printing to the brute force of mechanical shaping. Here, the continuous web will be shattered into thousands of individual cup fans. With tons of hydraulic pressure, the continuous sheet is instantly transformed into individual shapes. The waste is stripped away and recycled, leaving only the precise templates needed for the cup walls. These distinct shapes, known as blanks, stream toward the collection point. The flat blanks are now ready for the most complex stage of their journey, the third dimension. Here in the forming hall, flat paper will finally become a vessel. Gravity feeds the blanks into the high-speed intake system.
Vacuum arms snatch each blank with perfect timing, synchronized to the reorganization.
Wrapped around a steel core, the paper takes its final conical form. Heat activates the coating, welding the seam stronger than the paper itself. Simultaneously, a separate system prepares the foundation of the cup, the bottom disc. Before they can be joined, the polyethylene coating must be reactivated by intense heat.
Mechanical fingers tuck the sidewall paper underneath, sandwiching the bottom disc.
High pressure creates the knurled seal, guaranteeing the vessel remains watertight. The top edge is prepped, ensuring the paper will roll smoothly without tearing. The rim forming happens in stages, gently coaxing the fibers to bend. The second die completes the roll, creating the rigid, comfortable lip we all recognize. The individual units now come together. Before they are packed, every single unit must pass the scrutiny of the artificial eye.
High-speed cameras capture the interior geometry, searching for microscopic defects.
Any deviation in the rim's perfect circle triggers an immediate flag in the system. A bath of ultraviolet light neutralizes bacteria, guaranteeing a sterile surface for beverages. This vertical ascent provides crucial seconds for the final heat seals to cure completely. Gravity takes over once more, feeding the verified product into the counting chambers. Lasers count the stack with absolute precision, grouping them into standard retail quantities.
For premium heat insulation, the cups undergo a secondary transformation, the outer jacket.
These corrugated sleeves are cut to precise dimensions, designed to float around the inner cup.
Hot adhesive is applied in a specific pattern to create air pockets for insulation. The inner cup meets the outer shell, fusing two separate components into one thermal system. A calculated air gap is trapped between the layers, keeping the beverage hot and hands cool. Gentle pressure bonds the layers permanently as the adhesive cures. Sensors verify the added mass, ensuring no cup leaves without its protective shell.
The finished insulated cups are restacked, now thicker and robust, ready for the final line.
All production lines converge here, entering the zone of total automation.
High-speed Delta robots intercept the stacks, orienting them for the packaging machinery. Now oriented horizontally, the units flow smoothly toward the encapsulation station. A continuous sheet of protective film is drawn down to envelop the product. Heated wheels fuse the plastic from below, locking the cups inside a sterile environment. The rotating jaw seals and severs, turning the continuous tube into individual airtight packs.
Automated labelers apply tracking data, giving each pack a unique digital footprint.
Automation takes the heavy lifting, grouping the packs for bulk shipment. While the cups are grouped, the shipping containers are simultaneously borne from flat sheets. The case erector forms the skeleton of the shipment, folding flaps with tireless consistency. Precision automation ensures the payload is deposited gently, protecting the structural integrity.
A brief vibration settles the contents, maximizing the density of the pack.
Massive steel guides fold the top shut, sealing the product away from the light.
Top and bottom secured, the case is now a self-contained shipping unit.
Traceability is permanent. We know exactly when and where this specific case was born.
A final weight check guarantees the customer receives exactly what they ordered. The production line has done its job. Now the boxes queue for the final logistics.
While the robots pack, human experts extract random samples for destructive testing.
A special dye solution is used to hunt for even the microscopic pinhole leaks. We wait, ensuring the polyethylene seal holds tight against the relentless pressure of gravity. Structural integrity is pushed to the breaking point.
Thermal imaging confirms the insulation barrier works, keeping the heat in and the hand safe.
The tape test proves the food-grade ink is permanently bonded and will not rub off. With the data logged and quality confirmed, the batch is officially released for distribution.
Back on the floor, the approved cases are ready for the final leg of their journey. Once palletized, the shipment must be secured for the long road ahead. Layers of tension film lock the boxes together, creating a single, stable unit.
This facility stores millions of units, a temporary home, before they reach the consumer.
Precision logistics ensure every square inch of vertical space is utilized. When the orders come in, the inventory is pulled and prepared for dispatch. One by one, the pallets are loaded, tessellating perfectly to maximize the haul. Once sealed, the cargo remains untouched until it reaches the distributor.
And this is how modern factories produce paper cups from start to finish. Follow for more interesting content.